Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not go away without clicking on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell because it will notify you of any time I upload a new video. So today's video is not going to be a long one at all. It is the procedure I'm going to be using to whiten my teeth at home. Mind you, this procedure I didn't just use it once and came out here to tell you that, yay, my teeth is now white. Oh, I did it and in less than 5 minutes time it's now white. No, I've been using this procedure for the past 3 days now, and the third day I decided to come and show you guys my results. You see, growing up, I've always had brown teeth. You know, if you grow up in an African home like mine, Nigerian home for that matter, whenever I offend my mother, she always teases me with my brown teeth. She will say, go away, see your brown teeth, butter teeth and all that. When I was young, I was always feeling embarrassed, but not anymore. As I started growing up, I said, oh, well, I'm not the only one with brown teeth in the world. After all, it's not as if I don't brush my teeth, I do. But of recent, when I came across some home remedies to whiten the teeth, I said, okay, why not give it a try? Since I cannot afford the teeth whitening procedure, I said, okay, let me try the home remedy, and I don't think they are bad at all. It worked. So I decided to try the baking soda and the hydrogen peroxide, this toothpaste method, where I'm going to show you guys how I put this recipe together. Please, a disclaimer, if you have sensitive gum, I do not advise you to try this method. I don't know, it might not be good for you. You have to seek a dentist's advice. Me, I tried this method at my own risk and I found out that it was good for me. It didn't affect me in any way, so I continued with it. Like I said, this is the third day of me trying it. I decided to come and show you guys my results. But first, let me go and show you how I mixed my mixture together to brush my teeth and the result it gave me. So let's go and mix that mixture. So guys, before we go on, this was how my teeth looks like before. I know it's not nice. So these are the ingredients I'll be mixing together. This is my baking soda. Here I have hydrogen peroxide. I also have my toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste of your choice. So here's my mixing bowl. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of baking soda, the amount that I will use just once. Next, I will add a tiny bit of hydrogen peroxide and mix together to form a paste. Note, some people add in the toothpaste too and mix everything, but I decided to mix only these two together. I will use the toothpaste to brush first. So guys, like I said, to be on the safer side, it's better to just brush your teeth first before using that. I'm not too sure about mixing everything together at the same time. So I'm just going to brush first. So I finished brushing. So guys, I'm back from brushing my teeth, as you can see, with the toothpaste. So here is the little paste I made from the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. I'm just going to take my toothbrush now, scoop it like this, and use to brush my teeth. Like I said, if you have sensitive gum, do not use this. So guys, well thoroughly. Like I said, I used this procedure for 3 days before coming to show you my results. I don't just want to use it and said I got white teeth after 5 minutes. No. So I'm going to rinse my teeth now. So guys, I am back from rinsing my teeth. Mind you, after I rinsed that baking soda mixture off, I brushed again with toothpaste just to keep my mouth fresh and mild too. So guys, this is how my teeth looks like compared to the first one. I'm going to show you the difference. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. This home DIY actually works and it makes your mouth feel so fresh and feel good. I'm going to continue doing it until I get that result I want. Like I told you, I don't have the money for the procedure for teeth whitening, so I'm going to be doing my home remedy and hopefully I will get that perfect result I want sooner. But for now, I am really satisfied with my teeth and how the whole of my mouth feels and all. Yeah, So guys, baking soda actually works for teeth whitening. So it's turmeric. That's what I heard too. Where I've used turmeric once. Where I don't have anything to say about that. But with this baking soda, I think I'm loving the results I'm seeing. So thank you for staying with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.